Hi, don't be panic about your syllabus. I'm here, don't worry. Just think you are entering in April only. Okay? So we are going to start from the very beginning of your chemistry. That is first chapter. That is what? Solid state. So first, whatever you are going to start, you are going to learn, you must be aware the word meaning of this solid. Already you have known that solid means whosoever is not changing its volume as well as shape. Already you have studied. Okay? But as we are growing, you are growing. So syllabus is being expanded. Clear? You have studied this solid in 9th class also. Here in 12th class, solid is same. They will ask such type of question, why almirah is solid? Why this table is solid? Why this pen is solid? What's the reason? Already you are knowing that there are three functions which determine the state of matter. These three peculiar properties of matter are what? First, intermolecular force. Second, intermolecular space. And third one, intermolecular vibration. So dear students, first of all, this intermolecular suppose these are the molecules. This is the intermolecular space, and the force what these molecules are experiencing is intermolecular force. Now here these are the molecules, and here are you able to see? I think these are the three pictures. Here molecules, here 6 molecules, here 6 molecules. But what is basic difference? Intermolecular space and intermolecular force. If force increases, space decreases, and vibration will also decrease. If you are understanding all these three parameters of states of matter, then you will be certainly able to answer any type of reasoning question related to this. Why this solid? Why this sponge is compressed? Even it is solid. This is a sponge. It can be pressed, but it is solid. But pen can't be okay. Why sponge can be pushed? Because it is having air. That's why sponge is solid. Here you can say it solid, it is liquid, and it is gaseous state. These are the three states of matter already you are knowing in your lower classes. So different type of questions are there. Why solids are rigid? They may ask rigidity. They may ask shape. They may ask volume. They may ask diffusion. Any other, whatever they are asking, all the questions may be attempted by this FSB. Force, space, vibration. You note down force, space and vibration. TI1. If all these three peculiar properties you have understood, then no problem. You can attempt all the reasoning questions related to solid state. I think it is clear to you what is solid state. Now, have you ever felt about talcum powder rubbing on your face? Have you rubbed some talcum powder on your face? Or you have just take the salt on your tongue. Okay? Have you taken whatever? Whenever we are taking groundnuts, we are taking just salt here. Licking. Okay? So what happened? Have you observed what is the texture of talcum powder and that particular rock salt? You just see here, I am showing you two things. Here there is a heap of books which is arranged nicely, and here the heap of books which is scattered. Understand? So solid is okay. One is molecular arrangement is nice, and they are arranged, molecules are arranged in a particular fashion. It may be like that we are joining, a square is formed, or it may be like that we are finding this hexagon, sometime rhombus, sometime cuboid. Different type of shapes may be obtained by systematic arrangement of molecules. Then such type of solid is known as crystalline solid. Crystalline solid. Just like here the books are arranged in a systematic order. Clear? Molecule arranged in systematic order. This is also known as long form. What? It is also known as long form. Okay? Hello? Understanding? Now, if molecules are arranged in this fashion, randomness is there. Randomness is there. Then this is known as amorphous solid. In Greek, A means no, morphous means form. Here so many forms: cuboidal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, monoclinic, triclinic, but here no form. Just like your talcum powder, you can say. Here salt. Clear? So what is difference? Basic difference between amorphous and crystalline solid? Main thing is long form and randomness. What is long form? Systematic arrangement of molecules. Okay? And randomness means they are haphazardly there, here and there. Molecules are arranged in any order. Then this is known as what? Amorphous. No form. There is no form. Clear? Now, due to this arrangement of molecules, what will happen? Some properties of solids may also be changed. For example, I am taking a very, you can say, joyful manner example that you are standing in a fair at your village. आपके गांव में एक मेला चल रहा है और आप उस मेले की भीड़ में खड़े हुए और कौवा आया, उसने आपके ऊपर बीट की। कितने % प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी कि वो बीट किसी ना किसी के हेड पे गिरेगी? 100% प्रोबेबिलिटी, because there is mob. In mob, either beat will be here, 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 anywhere. Certainly, the worst beat will fall either on shoulder or on back or on head. But you are standing in your prayer ground, you are then what will happen? You are making distance, one arm stance, and your systematic arrangement in your prayer ground. Then what will happen? If bird is flying and there is not 100% possibility. Beat may be on your head, a beat may be in intermediate space, just like here. If molecules are haphazardly here, 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 possibility is 100%. But here what will happen? Here, if here, no possibility. So, this is very controversial, you can say. Some of the students, in my long experience, they ask, how is it possible that all the property of crystalline substance is not same at all the points? Means, suppose you are having this much bigger copper sulfate crystal, and you are picking here one of its portion, okay, and here you are taking what? Suppose you are taking any amorphous, suppose flour, okay, and here you are taking this portion. Again you are taking from this portion, you are taking from this portion. मतलब एक एक पीस आपने ले लिया क्रिस्टलाइन और एमॉर्फस का, और उसमें से अलग अलग जगह से कुछ पॉइंट्स आपने निकाले. Then you studied all the properties of these particular pieces. Then what will be observed? We observe that property, all the properties, either it may be density, it may be refractive index, it may be any other property, physical, chemical, okay? So all the properties will be same here in case of amorphous, but here properties will be altogether different. This is known as anisotropy. What is? This is first property of crystalline solid. What is that? N means iso, say tropy. Anisotropy. And these solids are known as anisotropic solids. Here, these amorphous solids will be known as isotropic. Clear? So, they may ask the question, what is anisotropy? what is isotropy and why this is isotropy substance and this is anisotropic substance. So you have to clear by the long order arrangement. Properties, here you may write what? Just to write properties of substance are similar at all the points. Here properties of substances are properties of substance are not similar, sorry, because you are taking what? Anisotropic. Here properties of substance are similar, or you may write here dissimilar. Dissimilar. Okay. This is second basic difference. First basic difference was long order and short order arrangement of molecules. First difference between crystalline and amorphous. Second difference, anisotropy and isotropy. Third difference, suppose you are going to heat glucose. Glucose is going to melt, but it is not 100% that a particular melting point, that is, what is the melting point of glucose? I am not sure just now. I think it is